Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be the introduction video to the iRobot Roomba. So this is a self-cleaning robot. So basically you just put it in your house and then it cleans your house. So this is the dry version. You have a wet version also. So I have another mop. So the wet version we'll be looking at later on. Now this is going to be an 8-part video. So this is going to be a complete video where you will be seeing how to fix this, how to replace stuff, what to expect from this. We'll be testing how it actually cleans. It has cliff sensors and stuff, so we'll see if it falls off places. So we'll be doing all of that, but we'll be creating 8 videos because if I make one video it'll go up to around an hour. So I'll have to break this into 8 videos. So let's go ahead. In this video, let's see what to expect from this, what's it all about. We'll just see what all do we get with this, and then in the next video we'll be doing the rest of the stuff. So let's go in and check this out. Okay, so let's see what all do we get with the iRobot Roomba. So you get the iRobot itself, you get one power cable which connects to the base. So this is the docking station. So this has a sensor over here, this and this. Now this sensor correlates with the sensor on the iRobot, and then it backs up into this and charges there. So that's the charging station, and you get this barrier. So basically this creates two kind of barrier. One is a straight barrier, so if you put this somewhere, the iRobot won't cross that barrier. And then the second one is a round barrier, so you put it in the middle and then it will create a barrier of 1.4 meters. So nothing, this won't go into that barrier, like maybe if you have toys and stuff, or if your child is playing or something like that. So you can just keep this in between and that will create that barrier. And then you get the owner's manual, in which it will have a little bit of information. I didn't find too much of information in this. Most of the information is available on the app itself. So when you go into the app for this, then you will find all the help documentation and everything over there. So that's it. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the iRobot. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the Roomba now. Now this is the front portion. So basically in the front portion there's nothing except for this big light touch crash guard. So this actually goes and hits. So whenever this is working, it might go and touch something, and when it touches, then it knows that where it got hit from, and then it turns the other way. So this entire thing is like that, even from the front. So that's the crash guard. I call it the crash guard, they call it the light touch sensor. At the back over here you have the exhaust for the vacuum. So this actually picks up everything and then the air comes out from here. Now this entire thing is the filter, so we'll be showing you how to open up the filter also. So that's what you see on the sides. Then you have this small brush. So it's a 3 brush system, so it rotates whatever comes in the line, it takes it and throws it inside, and the vacuum picks it up. So that's how this actually works. Now let's take a look at the top. So this is the interesting part. Now this has a small camera over here. So this camera actually looks at everything, maps your house, and that's how it actually creates the map. So a lot of people think that you have to create a map on your phone and then tell your Roomba where to go. No, it doesn't work that way. I'll be talking about that in the later video. So you have 3 buttons over here. This is the home button. If you press that, this will automatically go back to the charging dock. So it will search its way and then go back and plug itself in. This is the power off, and then the cleaning start button. So if I press that, it will start the cleaning, and if I keep it pressed, then it will go off. This is the target button. So if it actually finds dirt, then this starts blinking and it goes over there. You have this handle to pick it up. So that's basically it. Now this is the sensor, the parking sensor. This helps it in parking. So that's basically, that's how you will see it from the top and the sides. Now let's look at the bottom, the interesting part. So this is where all the magic happens. So now you have these 2 wheels. So this pushes it in front. This small one, now if you have seen any of those bumper cars that we used to play with when we were young, they had this kind of a system. So this will keep turning as the robot moves left and right, this will keep turning with that. Now this is the wheel system. Then this is the place where it picks up all the dirt. So the brush actually moves like this, throws all the dust inside, and then this picks it up and then puts it into the tray over here. There's a filter over here, puts it into that, and the air comes out from the clean air comes out from the back. So that's how it works. Now you have the battery compartment over here. So the battery is stored here, and then you have the floor sensor. So this is the floor sensor. Let me give you a closer look at that. You can see that's still working. It's trying to map because it's on. Then you have something different, which is the edge sensor. What's it called? Wait, cliff sensor. Yes, it's called the cliff sensor. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 cliff sensors in total. So they sense a cliff. So if it's going to fall, this will sense it and then goes back. So that's something interesting. We'll be doing a cliff test also. We'll be actually putting it on a glass table. So it will be a little difficult for this to sense the cliff when it's glass. So we'll see if it actually works on glass too. So it will be extreme cliff test for this. So we'll be doing that later on. Now these are the charging points. So when it backs up, this is where it gets charged from. So that's basically it. Now let's see how the tray looks like. Now this is the tray, the bin. So you have to clear this, push this down and then pull it, and that's the bin. So this is the main filter. This is where all the dirt goes in from, and then you just have to open it from here like this and empty this into the dustbin. So it's that easy. Once it's done, just put it in like that and then push it into place. That's it. So it's that easy. So all you have to do is put this on. It'll automatically clean everything. Once the cleaning has been done, it'll automatically go back to the charging station and then charge itself. So you can schedule the cleaning. You can like put a timing like when you are not at home, maybe at 11 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll automatically wake up, go clean the entire house. Normally it takes around 1 hour. For a 2-bedroom house, it takes around 1 hour and cleans the entire house and goes back and sits in its place. So by the time you come back home, your house is always clean. So you never even get to know that your house was dirty because it'll keep cleaning it. So that's basically it for the first video. This is just the introduction of the iRobot Roomba. Now in the next video we'll be looking at how to actually use it, and then the tests, all the tests, the cleaning tests. We'll be actually throwing a lot of dirt on the ground and then see how it actually picks it up, and the limitation that this has. We'll be talking about all of that in the later video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.